Namaste. Today we are going to talk about the major trends in the world which are going to break off in the next 20 years. All these trends will be very useful to you. First of all, most of the people try to blame astrologers. They simply say, I am not an astrologer, so do not ask me. They say, I am not a person who can predict the future. But future can be predicted provided you know the trends which are breaking across. The first and the most important trend breaking is the end of money. The end of money does not mean the money is going to disappear. The physical money is going to disappear, which means no more there will be coin and notes. There will be digital money which will be available, which people will try to transact that digital money everywhere. Now, for example, there won't be any kind of exchange. It will be all done through a payment gateway of different modes. For example, you have Paytm today, PayUmoney, MobiKwik. These are different things which will evolve, where even if you go to a tea shop and try to pay 50 rupees or 100 rupees for a tea, you would be able to transfer that money. No longer the physical money will be available. It will be a major change which will be coming in the 20 years. In fact, everything will be definitely a digital money. You will find it very difficult to transact money itself. In fact, future you will have museum which tells humanity has used these kinds of note, these kind of coins across. The spillover effect of it is the banking industry will undergo a massive change. The banking industry will go where you no longer will earn money through fixed deposit or through recurring deposit. All those banking instruments which are we use will slowly get deleted. For example, checks will get deleted. For example, draft will get deleted. Lot of these things will get deleted across into daily living. The problem with many people is they are not aware, and many people are trying to work in the bank. Remember, in the next 10 years of your time, your banking industry will undergo a massive change. You will have job losses, job cut, where bank will be only an instrument of lending, and no longer you would be able to deposit the money in the banks and make money out of interest. You need to use financial instruments like stock market, mutual funds, gold, ETF. All that thing will be happening across. The third one is all the payments will get digital. For example, standing in the queue, electricity bill, any bill you would be able to pay digital, where the entire train booking, flight booking, anywhere where you are standing in the queue, where you need a receipt, everything will become digital. Right now it's a cinema theater, but slowly it will come into electricity, housing, every aspect of your life where you will be able to pay only through digital. For example, school fees, for example, house rent, all that thing will undergo a massive change. So the color of money is changing. It has become electric, it has become electronic, where you no longer use coins and notes to pay. Even small transactions will be paid only through the digital medium. So banks will disappear, the mutual funds houses, the financial houses will become big, and people will be learning. The second most important destructive force is the end of the education, the beginning of new era of education. Earlier you had the CBSE board, you had the ICSE board, you had the many boards across. All these boards will become defunct. In fact, the entire education system will become global. You will be able to get a degree both online. Most of the degrees would be online. You would be getting degrees from America, Australia, England, New Zealand, anywhere you wish. You will be able to get a degree. You will also be able to train any kind of skill. For example, you want to learn dancing, poetry, music, anything, you would be able to learn from that. Plus, you would be able to learn also the many aspects of suppose the company talks about a corporate program, management program, all that will become digital. You will no longer be employed based on your degree but based on your skill ability. For example, what are the skill abilities you have and how it will be used. That will be the major thing which will be there than anything else. So do not get lost in the idea of putting your words in the schools, colleges, and it will all become digital, where you can study from the house at your leisure. You would be able to read in your pace. Everything will go. It will not only be Byju's app, there will be millions of apps and there will be millions of YouTube videos where you can learn everything online. And also there will be tests which will be conducted and you would go into the act of using the test. The third thing is the form of democracy will change. You no longer need ballot papers, you no longer need the ballot thing. All you need is to do is an ID, create an ID, go inside and you will be able to vote. You will be able to vote for your municipal election, Lok Sabha election, any kind of election across the globe. It will be like an opinion poll where you can cast your vote, use your ID and do it across. This is a very, very important step. The fourth most important change what people will be having is all your identification will be digital. You no longer need to carry your passport, your what you call ID card or any card. It will be digital and people will be able to access all your information about your past, present using these digital transactions, both your bank, your what you call online money transactions or whatever you do. You will have your data will be there and people will be given a digital certificate where they can use it across. Now this is going to be a major thing. The fourth thing is the evolution of cameras will happen in such a manner that you will have cameras everywhere. You will have cameras inside the house, outside the house. You would have cameras in the flat, cameras in the road. You will get recorded about everything and anything in the future. The other most important thing is the evolution of the cell phone, where you will have 5 TB cell phones, a small cell phone. You would be able to have 5 TB and you will have huge kind of like for example 20 gigabytes. The speed will increase a lot. Whatever you are seeing, it will increase almost 100 times in the coming 20 years. Mobile is going to be the major instrument where you would be able to watch videos, see it, and all things connected with mobile would undergo a massive change. The other most important thing is that of the travel industry would undergo a huge change. The leisure travel will increase, the regular business travel will cut down, and people will more and more move on to what you call video conferencing, Zoom conferencing. All that will happen. Suppose you are having an office and the office, all of you will be expected to come into the conference and will be able to contribute towards that. And the other most important thing is the office hierarchy will get broken. Most of the structures will become flat or little wavy and each vertical will be able to connect. And also you will have connection, like many people will work in different parts of India and they will be connected with Zoom or some kind of a technique app which will help them to work. So you will have the internet connection becoming stronger. So if you are in this thing, like many people work in different parts of Madras, but they connect with a common app. In the same way, they will get connected with the All India, All Global. The other most important thing is you will also have as lot of part-time workers which will be happening. There will be no permanent working. You hire people, hire a team and then you release it across. That will be the future model of business. It won't be like this or like that. It will be hire and fire basis. The corporation will undergo change. It won't be like you're telling people that, okay, I'm going to work for next 20 years, 30 years. There won't be any kind of permanency as far as the job is concerned. So job cuts will be very, very natural and many people will find it very, very difficult to accept that these kind of instability will be happening. You will also be born in one country, travel to many countries, you will get educated in many countries and you will get and married to many countries. For example, a guy can be born in India, he might grow up in UK, and then he might study in Azerbaijan, and then he can have a job in New Zealand, he can get married to a Italian, and he might have his children in New York City. So the globe is going to be like a village where people will crisscross the globe a lot. So in that sense, travel industry will increase and national identity will get erased. Many people, you cannot come to a conclusion what kind of nationality you are as a person. That is going to change a lot with people, and many people will not have a national identity. It will be a multinational identity. Imagine an Indian woman getting married to a Jewish man, and she's having a what you call Negro mother, daughter-in-law, and she's having a what you call it as a white women father and mother-in-law. Like that, interracial marriage will increase, and also love marriage will increase, and all types of marriage will increase. So please understand this. And anyway, I saw one lady getting married to a dog. People will love dogs in the future so much that most of the people having kids will become a big issue, and people will try to have a lot of problem with regard to that. IVF will become a norm, and many people will go into artificial insemination like the bull and the cow, and they will not find it very easy to inseminate, impregnate, and there will be a lot of problem will be there. So please understand, this will be a big model shift which will be happening, and many people will choose career and money over the family. You will see people getting married and living at two different parts of the continent, two different parts of the state, two different parts of the city, and they would probably meet in the weekend. So people will be very interested. What you call, women will choose their career before the marriage, and also they would like to keep their career and money strong. This will undergo a massive shift. Earlier it was not like that, but then this will undergo a massive shift. And the other one is, you will also have a lot of adoption which will be happening. Lot of people will adopt children, and adoption will be a very common thing across. So please don't misunderstand me if I tell you this particular thing. So the part 2 of the video, what all the other trends will come for you. Please do take care, and this is Gopalakrishnan signing off. You like us, subscribe and click the bell icon. You will get a lot of useful update which will be very helpful for your life. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best, and may you do well in your life.